fast forward this to what happened between Ohamadike. He coming, saying that Elohim sent him to rescue Biafrans, to deliver Biafrans. He said, if not, he will not do this. And based on what his Elohim sent him, I stand with him till tomorrow. What he did last Monday is to post the shenanigans of the Nigerian court. Nigeria, like a country that lacks law and order, what makes a society sane is where there is law and order. Where the law is biased, where the promoters, the people that are involved in the justice are biased. They carry the assignment with biased mind. It makes that society lacking in law and order. So you have to rub it in their face last Monday. And I want to let you know, you, nnakwe, you are like Pontius Pilate. You have been handling Ohamadike case since 2016, 15, 16, 17. You granted him bail till today. This is about 10 years now. If you cannot take him, you are still handling this case. And he said you don't want to handle this case again. All that they said, all that the judges have passed on his head from the Supreme Court, none of you were implementing it. Why would you people come to hold this Ohamadike down? What is holding him down is not anything but envy, like what is verse 17, verse 18 says in Matthew 27. For he knew that for envy they had delivered him. Envy. It's not an issue of security. The people in court of power are even helping to hide the insecurity in the land. If you listen to Ohamadike today, that is Thursday, by Monday, if anybody shouts to sit at home, people will stone him, people will stone her. And you should know that what he did last Monday, so many people were happy, multitudes of millions of people were happy to hear that from him, to rub in the face of the Nigerian law, Nigerian court, and the whole world saw what happened. Malice, animosities, grudge, bitterness, anger is what that made it to come to hold him down in the dungeon of DSS. Releasing Ohamadike, that man has suffered. His parents died because of Biafra restoration. He had lost so many people had lost their life because of Biafra. Releasing Ohamadike for him to go free, for him to free. He said it's before his last broadcast. That was May 30th, 2021. He said, Elohim said to me, I can't say Gabahono. He said, when he was saying, he didn't understand until he voiced it in Igbo language, in vernacular, saying, I can't say Gabahono, meaning what they are doing will backfire on their head. And that's what's happening now. So release him, so you save yourselves, their face, for shame all over the world. The whole world is seeing how rotten Nigerian justice system is. Praise the Lord. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Join me